Do you remember just a couple of weeks ago when the village told residents that the Amazon project would not be receiving any financial incentives? They didn't just say it once. They even produced a video, and in that video, they addressed suggestions that incentives might be involved.
Is the village providing financial incentives to Amazon? No. The village is not providing tax incentives, subsidies, or financial assistance. Amazon is fully self-financing this project. The village will benefit from new sales and property tax revenue generated by the development, which can be reinvested in public infrastructure and safety improvements. The petitioner can still seek incentives from other entities.
That was just a couple weeks ago. And in an official press release issued by Mayor Jim Dodge, the village repeated that. The village is not providing any financial incentives to Amazon as part of this project. Those were the village's words. Now let's look at what's on Monday's agenda. This Monday, the board will consider two financial mechanisms tied directly to the Amazon development. The first is a Class 7B property tax incentive. The village board must first approve this resolution before the application can move forward to Cook County. If ultimately granted, the property's assessment would drop from 25% to 10% for the first 10 years. The village's own report states the applicant has determined the project would not be economically feasible without this incentive. The second item is a TIF reimbursement resolution. It begins the process of studying a new tax increment financing district for the area around 159th and LaGrange. The resolution also allows for the potential reimbursement of eligible project costs incurred by Amazon if the TIF district is created. If established, a TIF district would divert future incremental property tax revenue generated at this location into a special fund, rather than flowing to overlapping taxing bodies. Both resolutions impact entities like District 135, District 230, the Fire Protection District, and others. Just 1 month ago, residents were told there were no financial incentives tied to this project. Now there are two. The record speaks for itself. If this much has changed in just 1 month, residents may want to pay close attention to what comes next.